Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Ford Ranger, stock number 6260. This ran from the 6 2011 to the 6 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, rear tailgate 1 dent under the latch, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, display cluster, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,